Hey my loves, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Kriss, and yes, Luis is in the room. If you hear any noise, that's him. So I am doing a 2 unpackaging video. I was actually supposed to unpackage these when I got them, but I was not in Florida when I got them. They are from Mintmongoose, and I have one for May and I have one for June. So I'm going to go ahead and just open them together. Like I said, I know that I'm late and I'm so sorry, but I wanted to still come on here and unpackage them with you guys. So I have not opened any of these. I have not gotten these before. This is my first time seeing these, but I've seen other YouTubers get them. So thank you so much to Mintmongoose for sending them out for review. I am excited to see what is in here. I don't think I've watched May and June because I wanted to be surprised. So let's go ahead and open up this one. This is May. Silly. Oh, it's cute. It comes in these little packages like this, and it's really cute. It got a little bit messed up, but that's okay. I don't want to rip it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try to get this open, or tear it off, or do something.
Open.
Pull it down.
Open.
I'm trying to open it.
Open.
There we go. Got it. Got it. All right. Got it. Okay, so it comes with this little card, and it says, "Yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos and videos of your new favorite Mintmongoose jewelry pieces with the tag Mintmongoose to be entered to win a free month." And it says, "Thank you, Mintmongoose." So let's see what's in this one. Oh, it comes with a little candy. Comes with the Werther's Original. That's cute. That's different. And it comes with this ring right here, which is cute. It's adjustable. So I'm going to wear it on my pinky. That's really, really cute. And I am going to open up this one right here. It's wrapped up in this, and I'm going to see what is inside. Oh, it comes with a few things in here. Has the little tags on them still. And I'm not wearing really any jewelry, so I could open them up and try on whatever was in here. Oh, they look like a pair of studs. Oh, they're so pretty. They're a pair of studs.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, really cute. So it says spend $40 on individual items in your online shop and receive next box free. So let me go ahead and try these on. And like I said, this was sent out to me for review purposes. These are actually really cute. Let me try to get it on.
You can do it.
I can do it. I think I can do it. I can't find the hole.
No, you do it.
Okay. There it is. It looks pretty.
That's pretty.
They are really pretty. I like them a lot. They are pretty. I do like these a lot. And I like jewelry, and I like things that are lightweight. So this is really nice. And I like the little ring, and it's adjustable as well. Okay, so we got those on. Yeah, and there's actually something else in there as well. And it looks like the matching necklace.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that is awesome. I think it is the matching necklace. We got the babies playing with the Werther's Original over here. That's all he's worried about. And it is the matching necklace. You like it? It is the matching necklace. It's beautiful. And I love long things like that. Look how pretty that is.
No.
Look how beautiful that is. It's gorgeous. It is pretty. That is really pretty.
You like it, Gooby?
That is really pretty.
It is.
So that is this one right here.
I like it.
So let me go ahead and take these off just in case there's other necklaces or earrings in the box, and then I'll be right back to open up that other one. Look how this looks. It's gorgeous.
It is.
It is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to open up June's now. I know that we are in July. Like I said, I know I'm late. Better late than never. I will not be receiving July's because I am not in the States. I like these though a lot.
That.
Yeah. Go give it to Daddy.
Give it. Mommy, Daddy, give it more.
All right. And the same, it comes with another Werther's Original, and it comes with another thank you card. And open this up. It's wrapped up again in the pretty tissue paper. I like how they wrap it up and they have it in that box. It just looks, oh wow. What? I'm like blown away by how much they send. This is amazing.
What color?
None yet.
Oh, that's a great color.
He wants to know which color. Look at these.
Oh, I can rock those.
No, you're not.
No.
Look at these studs. They are so pretty.
More big, Guinea.
Yeah, you can give it to Daddy, the candy. This one, June, is amazing. I mean, if you guys haven't seen what they have, you're about to see, and it is crazy. Let me get these in there. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but the earring's pretty. I just think a little piece may have came off. That is so pretty.
No.
And then it also came with the matching necklace also. And it comes with, looks like it comes with 3 pieces usually, because the other one came with the ring. And this one came with the matching necklace, which is really, really pretty.
No. I want a guinea.
I just need him to fix that earring, because the earring looks like it came apart.
Let me check.
See? Right here. I'll have to fix that. Here, baby. But this is beautiful. The one that I'm about to open right now, I'm like, when I saw it, when I opened up the packaging, I was like, oh my God. Yeah, we're not going to do that.
Pretty.
It is. I hope you can fix it. Look at this. This is gorgeous.
No, it's not Bolton.
Did you fix it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I am in love with this. And I love longer necklaces. Look, babe.
That is cool.
I love longer necklaces. So they came. You know what? I would really recommend this subscription box. I give it like a 10. They are amazing for the price. I believe it's $12 a month for the subscription. I would definitely go for it. I am so thankful. I'm so appreciative. Thank you guys for sending me out these wonderful gifts. I'm so sorry it took me so long to do this. I love how they throw the little Werther's Original in. I think that is so cute. And I am so grateful. So thank you, Mintmongoose, so much. I really do appreciate it. And I will be placing some orders in the future. And to you guys, if you have not liked this video already, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tap that bell if you haven't already. And to subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. All right, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Muchos besos. Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.